Hey everyone, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews, and we're going to talk about a really neat product. Let's take a look.
So first I'm going to show you that there are 6 individual workout bands in this set, and this pretty much equates to a home gym that you can travel with, or you can just keep locked away in your house and use it when you need it. Next, I should warn you that I'm not a workout instructor, so I'm not showing you how to work out. I'm just giving some examples of how I've used this and what I do with these resistance bands. So if you're a gym fanatic and a PT trainer, you probably have better exercises, and I'm not claiming to be anything special. Now first, this is just a basic arm curl, a bicep curl, or a double bicep curl. You step on one end of the band and you do your curls. The green bands are 41 inches long, and they can safely extend over your forehead without doing any damage to the band. Previous to purchasing this set, which is about $70 on Amazon, I wouldn't have thought that I could get a heavy weight workout from armbands. But as it turns out, the green band alone is a pretty good bicep workout, and you do that for 15 minutes and you're going to be plenty tired. And the heavier band is actually a little too heavy for something that I would want to arm curl. Now there's literally 1,000 different ways to use these, and I'm not going to show you every single way. There's a lot of different yoga poses that you can do with some of the lighter bands, some stretching techniques, and all sorts of things that just make you feel better. And this is going to travel with me. When I'm in the hotel and I can't get to a gym, I've been sitting in a plane, I'm feeling stiff, I'm going to take a couple of these bands, probably 3 of the 6, throw them in my luggage, and travel with them so I can get a quick workout in and just get the kinks out of my body after traveling all day. They can also be used for CrossFit, Pilates, assisted pull-ups, and they're strong enough to where you know they're not going to break, because that's something that you can worry about with the cheap brands you're going to get at Walmart, is you put a little too much weight on those, you pull a little too hard, and they could snap and be very dangerous. No offense to Walmart. There's a bunch of different exercises that physical therapists use for torn ACLs and things like that. You put them between your quads, you can use them for walking, squatting, all sorts of stuff. Each band is designed for a different level of resistance. The yellow band is 2 to 15 pounds worth of resistance, going all the way up to the green band, which, depending on how you have it set up, can be anywhere from 120 to 150 pounds. So there's all sorts of opportunity for different types of workouts on different body parts.
Thanks again for watching 911 Reviews. If you watched this far into the video, click that subscribe button now. We have an Amazon link for the products below. And also, if you would like us to review one of your products, email us at allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.